Hi, and welcome to portrait painting in watercolors. Portrait painting is challenging, and especially challenging for beginners. By the end of this class, you'll be able to easily turn any photograph into a realistic portrait with my portrait painting process. As a bonus, you're going to have some paintings that you can show off to your friends and family. I'm going to simplify the portrait painting process for you by showing you how to sketch and paint 6 different portraits based off 6 reference photos. You'll learn how to paint subjects in various poses and lighting conditions. I'm also going to show you how to draw a portrait in pencil by using 2 simple methods and show you how to layer paints to add colour and details. This is a feature-packed class, and I've included many demonstrations to provide you more opportunities to learn how to paint different subjects. So if you're ready to boost your portraiture skills, join me in this class and let's have some fun.